How does your enterprise bridge the social divide? So we've looked for those best practices, we've modeled those customers, and we've come up with a three-step formula that we want to introduce to you today. The first step is your database. At the end of the day, it's all about your database. Are you keeping track of your customers' social information? Are you paying attention to their handles? Do you know who they are on Facebook and on Twitter and on LinkedIn and on the other social networks? Are you keeping track of their tweets and their Facebook entries? Are you learning about them? Are you growing and evolving your knowledge of what your customers want? Through this new technology, you can learn more from your customers than ever before on the networks. Step two, we're learning more about our customers. What's step two? We want to create a social network, an employee social network. We've been talking about that for a couple years here at Dreamforce, haven't we? 2 years ago, we announced Chatter. But employee social networks is more than creating a private Facebook for your enterprise. We've learned that from you, our customers. We saw the best practices where you were collaborating, but collaboration to you, the winners, was not just about creating another island of collaboration. It wasn't about just creating another island of data. It was about integrating all your business processes and your workflow and all of your key applications into that employee social network. And it was about including the Salesforce. It was about including the customer service organization. And it was about including custom applications. Now I want to talk about automating and extending, building the custom applications to drive the rest of the enterprise. We recognize your companies are all in unique industries. You have unique business processes, unique workflow, unique languages and vocabulary inside your organizations. How do you build those custom applications but that they're still social, that are mobile, that are open, that are real time? We've seen incredible work from all of you as you deliver that social enterprise platform for employee apps. And then step three, which was a huge wake-up call for us, which happened at the beginning of this year, was that the really incredible customers, the most forward thinkers, were creating customer and product social networks, that you were including your customers in the social network. That blew us away. You were including your products in the network. You were hooking your products onto the network. That was amazing. And we saw you doing things like with social marketing that we had never seen before. We saw you listening and analyzing deeply into the network. Never seen that before. And the product and partner capability was astonishing. Product social networks, customer social networks, employee social networks, and this deep customer social profile. We've been talking about delighting our customers in a whole new way. We've introduced you to our vision for the social enterprise. You've seen it, the social enterprise profile. You've seen that kind of step one, build your social customer profile. Step two, build your employee social network. The collaboration, the connecting and selling, the service and engaging. Those incredible examples from yesterday with Twitter, with Bank of America, with KLM, automating and extending. Tim Campos' tremendous vision of custom applications. Social marketing we've seen with Heroku, listening and analyzing with Radian 6 and so many other exciting new technologies, and product social networks like we saw yesterday with Toyota Friend and Interesys and Coca-Cola. And we also saw now some tremendous partners and ISVs and developers who are building it all. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending Dreamforce 2011. Thank you very much.